Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Turrey from Incredibox Sprunki. So first we're going to get started with the head, and in the center for our circle we're just going to curve this line around and then in towards the bottom. And then starting back on our line on the top, again we're going to curve this line all the way around, blending that in together on the bottom. For our eyes now, on the left-hand side, we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle. And then we're going to leave a gap in the center, moving over on the right, and we're just going to replicate that. We're going to move further in from our eye now on the top and draw in another circle, replicating that. And then again, one last time, right in the center, we're just going to draw in our last circle. Drawing in the eyebrows now, we're going to draw in an arch line above each eye. For the mouth, we're going to curve this line up and then back down on the side. And then on the bottom, again, connecting that with another curved line from left to right. Let's draw in the ears now. So on both sides, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes up towards the side of our page. And now from that point, we're just going to bring this diagonal line back in towards the side of the head. Now on the top, we're going to draw a line that comes straight down. As we step further down our ear now, we're going to draw in another line that comes down towards the bottom. Stepping further in again one more time on the right-hand side, we're going to replicate that, making it smaller. And then as we come over on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in two more straight lines coming down on the left. Now on the left-hand side, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes down towards the bottom of our page. On the right-hand side, we're going to draw in a small diagonal line. We're going to come down, leaving quite a big gap, and drawing in another diagonal line, ending that at the same height on the bottom. Let's connect this together now. So we're going to draw in a wavy line, curving this in, out, back in, and then out, connecting that in the corner. And then we're going to close this off on the bottom with a small curved line. Now on the top from that corner, we're going to draw in a wavy line as we come all the way down towards the left-hand side. And now coming down on the bottom here, again a wavy line as we come all the way over on the right. And that is it. That's how you draw Turrey from Incredibox Sprunki. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's tutorial, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.